Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is a fresh product, one of the top sellers today called AI plus Pinterest traffic. And it's or AI plus Pinterest traffic engine from Erica Stone. So I'm going to show you a couple of quick things. I like to start at the finish. It's 27 bucks. And the big deal about this is they go, hey, you can run around doing videos, posting links, going on Twitter and Facebook and all these different other social media kind of things, where you can just go to the site that draws in buyers, people searching to buy certain things, and they search for it and then they go buy it. So these are the people. They're not looking for funny cat videos or to see what crazy things the housewives of Beverly Hills are up to. This is all about finding stuff that you're searching for and buying it. So let's go inside this. I'm just going to show you, like I said, 27 bucks. I want to scroll down a bit here. The link's in the video description. Take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. And they go, I'm going to go past that. I'm going to go right here. Here we go. Blah, blah, blah. Step-by-step system for affiliate marketers. This is I think it's a 77-page book. So evergreen traffic, an easy way to promote affiliate products. They let you put your affiliate link in. Less time spent creating content. You basically are a picture. No more stressing over Google or TikTok, algorithms. Will they ban me? It's just a simple, repeatable, scalable strategy to drive traffic to the affiliate links, landing pages, or website posts. So whether you're getting started or you want to revive a quiet Pinterest account, basically getting started either way, gives you the whole plan. So here's what you get. I'm going to go blah, blah, blah. Somewhere down here they go. Now, you, of course, accept profile, choose products that sell, AI to brainstorm, traffic to your blog, grow your platforms, to qualify for the Amazon Influencer Program, simple traffic campaigns, multiply your reach, stay compliant with Pinterest rules. Okay, here we go. Here's what you get. So there's 27 bucks. 77-page ebook with step-by-step strategy instructions, quick start checklist, AI Prompts Toolkit, and the whole 9 yards is there, 27 bucks. And here's the part that's going to really capture your interest. These are just some quick reviews of Erica Stone and the work she's done. Let's go down here. There's Erica. Here we go, testimonials from previous courses and classes. I couldn't do it without her. That's good. Follow Erica. All right. Look no further. Desire to see every student succeed. That's Erica Stone. And you can see 5-star reviews there. And the whole 9 yards is she covers it all from A to Z. Everything's there. So I'm going to send you to, let's go up back here. That's Erica, Superwoman, helping you with AI and Pinterest. And that's kind of her secret traffic thing. Turned AI and Pinterest into a passive traffic machine that works for Amazon affiliates and beyond. Obviously, other affiliate products too, from Erica Stone, and she's a well-known affiliate marketing coach. So the link in the video description will take you to my site. Bit of a description about what you'll learn, what you get, what you've already talked about. And then you can click the link or the product box at the top and grab a copy for 27 bucks. It's called AI and Pinterest Traffic Engine from Erica Stone. It's one of the top selling items right now. If you want someone to take you by the hand and make you money, there you go. Erica Stone does this for 27 bucks. Click the link, go check it out. AI and Pinterest Traffic Engine. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.